Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Spencer Jones, and I want to be alone. Greta Garbo was once described as the most depressed Scandinavian since Hamlet, which translates well in the great 1932 film Grand Hotel. As Grusinskaya, she pines for solitude, but said off camera, "I don't want to be alone. I want to be left alone." There lies all the difference. The all-star cast weaves a web of desperation, avarice, and murder. Garbo is no ballerina, but she taps into her own sorrow to add depth to her role. She finds an ally in John Barrymore's Von Huygen, who has an unsavory past. The other Barrymore, Lionel, brings a dash of dark comedy as the dying Kringleyon. Sultry Joan Crawford is Flamchen, the stenographer. When she joins Preissing, played by Wallace Beery, she humors his advances for her own ends. Now I think Garbo and Crawford would have incredible chemistry, but they never share the screen. Even Garbo told her colleague off-set, "I'm so sorry we don't have any scenes together." I think they are two of the finest actresses of their era. Inspired by Vicky Baum's book and directed by Edmund Goulding, enjoy your stay at Grand Hotel.